Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am going to decorate a mini spread for the week using the seasonal houses and trees in Amsterdam sticker book from Planything. Now this sticker book's fun because Amber from Planything, who owns Planything, she actually illustrated all of these drawings, these stickers in here, and they're super cute. I love a good seasonal spread, so I wanted to use this sticker book in this spread. And let's see, are we gonna do, it's still spring technically. Yeah, was this spring? Actually, no, we're going into summer. I don't think I've ever done a summer spread, and this is like the summer theme. I love the colors in this one. And we have some cute little, what do we call them? Scenes. I feel like I haven't done a lot of scenes recently. So I have some scenes that I can use. I really like the pre-made ones because then they're good to go. If you're in a rush and you don't have a lot of time, you can just pull some of the, like these scenes right here, which that's exactly what I'm going to do right now because I actually am a little pressed for time. So I just want to do a quick little spread. So let me get my white out. Oh, and this book is still available if you're interested in purchasing it. It's actually on sale. I just checked the site and it is, it is on sale right now. So we're just gonna stick this here. I always like to use this bottom section in the mini planner for decor, and that fits very nicely there. I just need to cut some of the edges off a little bit, and then we're good to go. But yeah, I love that. It's lots of fun. Love the colors, it's cute. You got a nice little scene there. And then there are boxes in here, so I'm gonna go to this page and just start pulling some boxes so I can start layering over here. Like this yellow box is nice. Let's see, let's put it more this way. Oh, if I could put it straight, that'd be nice. But it's a little easier said than done. Still a little crooked, but that's okay. And then I could do maybe like a circle sticker. Kind of do this blue one over here. Okay. And I can relabel this one. See, easy and pretty. All right, I like to do a couple of scenes over here too. So let's do, I like this one with the bridge and the boat. This one would be cool here. Maybe I can have it coming off the page. Oh, it actually kind of fits perfectly around that punched edge. So that's pretty good. It's kind of coming off there. And then, oh, there's little cars. That's adorable. Let's stick another building. I want the pink one. Pink building, which actually it's small enough where I could fit it in the middle. Perfect. Got a cute little car. I might stick a little car. Actually, I really like this stroopwafel little place. Love some stroopwafels. Ooh. Down here. Could stick a box there too. Okay, here's the boxes. So I'm gonna stick pink over here, actually here. I want yellow over here. And I got blues and greens. Let's do, I feel like there's a lot of green here, so I wanna do, let's do blue here. And green. Lots of fun colors. Ooh, I could stick some circle stickers down. Let's do pink over here, like 2 areas that you can write in. We'll do blue here. A little place to write there. Cute. Oh, there's more buildings here too. I kind of want to stick a car down because I think the car's cute. So let's stick this little car. Kind of driving on top of this box. And I could stick like some trees around the spread. That's why I like these like extra little pieces. I can just make my own little scenes everywhere. That's fun. We'll stick another light here. Maybe a bush. Cute. All right, so this book only has really decor and boxes. Oh, I love the fall one. The fall one's cool. But this one is very summery. I want to grab another book and just add some little stickers here and there just to, you know, maybe add some quotes and stuff. Okay, so I just grabbed some Happy Planner books just so I can grab some quotes. I think I might have some in here, like colors that I never use. Ooh, these are pretty. This is pretty. Ooh, does this green go? Maybe. Let's see. Let's see if this green works. Be your own hero. I kind of like it. I feel like that space needed something. I'm going to kind of sprinkle these around this spread a little bit. We'll put this go with the flow here. I'll just layer it with the box. And then we'll do Happy Day for Friday. Cute. I think that's pretty good. I really just only needed a couple of things. That one's cute too. Okay. Yeah, super simple, quick, and easy spread. I think the only thing I would do is maybe bring in some bullet points. So I wanted to make sure this book was still available before I started using it because, yeah, just wanted to make sure. So I have Tropical Beach, which is another great summer sticker book from Planything. And I think I'm just going to use these right here because I feel like over here it's never enough color, but I don't want to like cover it up because I feel like it's very, very functional and necessary. So I'm just going to stick down. Okay, the only thing is I won't have enough to do like every dot in this color because I only have a limited amount in this shade. So I'm just going to go every other one and then I can go in with another one maybe. We'll see. Probably because I really don't like the way it looks with like a circle and then a square. So it's probably going to get covered up, but it's very tedious. But sometimes you got to make a spread look pretty. So you will use it. Now this spread I don't plan on using. It's just I like to do mock spreads and then I will give them away to like patrons. But it still does look pretty, right? Because you want to be able to like look at it every week and use it every week. So I think those were the only, okay, these are my only options. So I'm just gonna go with this pink color. There's exactly the right amount that I need for this, so that's good. Oh yeah, the pink works. So I'll just do pink, blue, or blue, pink, just to add some more color down this way, make it a little bit more fun. It's just, oh my goodness, it's very tedious pulling these off and probably very tedious watching this. But yeah, just have fun decorating some spreads. Sometimes it's just fun to use your stickers because I find it very therapeutic and relaxing, and just, you know, putting them down and making like a pretty spread. Even if you don't plan on using it, like just use your stickers. That's always been my motto. Okay, that's what I'm gonna go with. It's very colorful. All right, so that is it. Majority of it came out of, majority of these stickers came out of the seasonal houses and trees in Amsterdam. And like I said, both of these are still available if you're interested in purchasing. Planything's website is linked down in my description, and also I have a 10% off code if you want to purchase. These are currently on sale, so right now is a good time, and there's actually a bunch of other books that I saw in stock that are on sale too, so definitely check it out. But that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching me create this cute little summer mini spread. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.